Well, I'd like to make a report of my trips or the trip today. I went to Samar, Katbalogan, and visited the military camp. It houses the camp houses the 8th ID Division, Infantry Division of the Philippine Army. And long hours, but I was able to talk to the men and also to the officers. And we are doing well. Summer is getting prosperous, and we expect that with the lowering of the insurgency war, we might fully develop within the next few years. What is really needed now is to have peace in the land, and I am determined to get it, with or without the personalities that represents or who wanted some recognition in the past. So we're giving them the official blessing to be here or outside to talk with the government people. But let me just be very clear. I am not up to something like declaring another truce or ceasefire. And I have to see the two panels talking about peace. And maybe if they are willing, they want to address the ceasefire issue, they can go on. But I'll take my time because I do not want a repeat of what happened. I really wanted just to show to them the good faith on the part of government by going ahead with the ceasefire on its own. By ourselves, we decided that it would be good if we have the ceasefire. But then something went astray. And I would like to repeat my request. It is not an order because I cannot order the Communist Party of the Philippines. I am not a party member. But I would like to see a war, kung hindi naman talaga mapigilan, na stop using the landmines sa yung mga NPA. Yun na minsan pinaputok yung truck. This has happened in the past, many times, from outside of Davao City. Yung mga truck na sinasakyan ng mga sundalo, at per chance, ang problema dyan is yung mga civilian. And usually, yung mga pamilya ng mga sundalo, umuwi ng kampo, the Filipino soldier would like to have his family beside him. It is a matter of going out to the camp to declare a war there somewhere battle, but it does not really include killing family members or innocent persons. So, parang I am really talking to you with sincerity. Because if you continue to use the landmines, I will withdraw from the talks. And there will be no ceasefire, and there will be war again. I am prepared for another 45 years. We have been at it for 45 years already. It's time to give the Filipino a break. They can go about anywhere, and the soldiers and you guys and PAs can come down and share the blessings of the democracy. And maybe in the fullness of God's time, we can truly enforce peaceful resolution and make our country progressive and the people comfortable, if not happy. So that's one. My decision today is just waiting for the list of big taxpayers. I hope you guys who have not been paying your taxes especially kayong mga mayayaman at yung mga oligarchs, kindly settle your tax cases. I would hate to read your names in public and maybe authorize your arrest. Yung mga big time tax evaders, it's a criminal, you know. You enjoy the blessings of prosperity. You enjoy the progressive, the progress and the progressive peripheral provinces and cities. You have the money, you get profits. But the thing is, you don't pay your taxes. Nagpatong na yung utang ninyo sa gobyerno, and you expect me to give you security? You expect me to use the roads, the ports, the airports, and everything that the government produces for the people. Nakikihalo kayo, nakikisali kayo, mayaman kayo. Eh, ang problema, hindi kayo bumabayad ng taxes na tama. If you do not want harassments from the BIR, and I promise you, magbayad lang kayo sa tamang taxes. Just pay the correct in your even calculations. Bayaran mo lang yan, at I can assure you, no harassments at all for the rest of the year. For the rest of the year, I will not authorize BIR agents or people going to your business place mabukas, tapos tignan naman yung record. It will not happen during my presidency. Hindi ko talaga papayagan. Kilkil, tawag sa Visayan niya, extortion. Well, and those people in the BIR now, I have faith in Cesar Bulay. Kayo, huwag kayong magkamali. Even a whisper. Ngayon, kung nasanay kayo noong past years, well and good. You are now comfortable with your whatever. Kwarta ninyo na sa Bisaya pa nakupras. Kinita ninyo. You have beautiful homes, cars, and everything. During my watch for 12 years, stop it. Customs, smuggling. Nayakin ako si Nick John Peldon because huwag mo lang pahirapan mo talaga. At kung tapon mo lang sa dagat, kung ayaw maniwala sa'yo. But I said, graft and corruption has cut across our lives. If you people are getting richer every day, not paying their taxes at the expense of them. Kaya mga tao, every time they write, every time they go to the markets, every time that they buy even a pencil or a notebook, they pay the taxes. They pay also taxes indirectly. And yet sila yung naghihirap. Kayong nandyan na mayayaman, mga oligarchs, I will allow Dulay to look into your. And if not, then file the case correspondingly. Panahon na medyo may hindi naman itong pagbabago. A slight correction of our lives. Kahit saka yung contractualization, itong may maraming franchise, concessions, mining, I will review everything. Let alone Gina Lopez. I would be, sisilipin ko yung lahat ng ano. I'm not into harassments. I'm not into for money. My God. You can keep your. But I want a fair arrangement between you and the government, which I represent. It will be fair for everybody. Wala akong ano. I won the presidency almost just yung aming partido. It's very small. We didn't have the money. We didn't have the machinery. But from the looks of it, actually, it was the Filipino ang machinery ko. And from the sheer, ayaw kasi mag-ibang. Pero I'm reading the sentiments of the Filipino from the votes that they cast last election. There's a message. The government should be accountable to us, the people. Government should serve the interest of the whole population, not only to you. Government must see to it there is no wrong committed against the people. Government is the people. Balik-balik tayo mo, government, people yan. The people of the nation. Representante na. That's why government is defined as an agency through which the will of the people is expressed. So ganun po. And I ask for your understanding and I ask for your cooperation. Hayaan mo na ako, I have a problem to solve. Do not point to me whatever mistakes that I commit, for I hold myself responsible for all of these things. The campaign against drugs will continue. It will be sustained till the end of my term. Kung mag-survive tayo dyan, magpasalamat ako. Pag hindi ka nag-survive, o ako ang natapos, gano'n. Just the same, the fervor will be there because it's part of nation building. This country cannot go if there's so much drugs, criminality, and corruption. It has to stop. Maraming salamat po.